All of the girls on here are young, so let's see what this looks like on 54-year-old skin. Sephora sent me over their foundation and concealer, and I'm so excited to try it. This is the best skin ever, and it's new. But wait a second, is it new? I have one here. Is it a different formula? I didn't even open this yet. That's crazy. I've had a lot going on. I am gonna try this out, and I've gotta actually do this a little bit quick, and I'll do some check-ins today because I have a doctor's appointment to go to. If you're new here, my name is Julie. I'm 54 years old. I'm a professional makeup artist, a licensed hairstylist, and I love trying new things out, exploring. Makeup is fun for me, and I hope that it's fun for you too. It says that it's blendable, it wears for 16 hours, and skin texture is improved within 28 days. I don't look to foundation or concealer to improve the texture of my skin. Oh, and I got a brush. That's great. I actually really like Sephora's brushes. I say that like it's surprising. I used to work there, if anyone doesn't know that. They had me guess my shades. I hope I did a good job. I chose 17Y, 20Y, and 15N. Not really yellow, I'm more neutral. Kind of like my hair like this. I feel like Goldie Hawn. Just the hair, not the face. Way to compliment myself. Oh, this brush is nice. Hey, this reminds me a little bit of the Nikki LaRose brush. Same shape. This one is definitely tighter and more dense. This is the 17N. No, 17Y. And it's definitely too yellow for sure. I can see it on my hand. Already, I can tell you that the texture, it dries down pretty fast. So I'm assuming that this would be good for combo oily. Not to say it won't be good for me, but yeah, there's not a lot of slip to it. My skincare is also sank in. Let me try 15N, and that is too light. Let me just try it here. That's the first one I tried. And then you can see the yellow, which it says yellow, so that's not surprising. I don't know why I would have gotten yellow. I never order yellow. I always order a neutral. I'll have to look at the options. Whoa, okay, that's definitely more golden for sure. Well, maybe I ordered those because I already have 17.5N and 20N. No, these are the older ones. The packaging is different. This is 17.5N. You see how that's better for sure. Let me see right here. Also too light for what I am right now, but it is neutral at least. Yeah, I'm definitely a neutral. I wish I had thought about that better. And this is going to be 20N. Boy, maybe I shouldn't have started this when I had to go somewhere. That's better. Let me get my sunscreen on. And I will try the foundation that matches the closest, just to see how it sits. I know the color's not going to be right. That's okay. What did I say? 17? 17Y. It's not going to be horrible. How is everybody? I haven't been on here in a long time. I've been working with students from our local college. They're advertising and marketing students, and I am having so much fun. They've only been with me for, well, less than a week. I was really nervous because, you know, they're looking to me for direction. It's a collaboration. They know so much already on their end from what they just took. It's what I've always dreamed of, to be surrounded by creative brains and collaborating and coming up with ideas. So I feel so energized, which makes it so much easier to get on here, you know, when you're in a good mood and you feel like you have purpose and you've got forward motion happening. That's what's happening when I have them in my space and when I'm connecting with them. So yeah, I'm really grateful. I look really yellow and I can't get this off. Why? Why did I do it? Is putting it in a box that expensive? Probably. I understand they want to protect from people coming in and opening it up. I find that at our Shoppers Drug Mart, you know, there's no testers, so people just open up the packages and make their own testers. Let's go in with 15 neutral. That's 15N? What? One moment. I'm confused. This is the concealer, 15N, and then the new formula. Let's put the 17Y next to it. So 17 should be darker than 15, right? And it is not. That is the 15. Sorry, the 17. This video is going to take so much longer than I thought. I don't understand. Am I doing something wrong? That's 13P. Let's put them beside each other. 15. 15N. It kind of matches my very bad job of my self-tanner on my knuckles. I didn't take my time with my self-tan. That's where I'm really dry. That is 4Y. So not even comparable, obviously, because of the number. Would you be confused by that? I'm definitely confused by that. Very grateful, I want to say, to Sephora for sending me and including me in this package. I'm very, very grateful. Not bashing anything at all. I'm just very confused at the numbering. You know what I might do is I might mix the 13P with a little bit of the 4Y. Just a little bit. Just to get a concealer shade that works for me. Hopefully. Maybe a little bit more of the light. Yeah, let's do that. So what we're going to get from this video today is how does it sit on my skin? Obviously, the colors are not right. I'm going to go out like this, and I will do check-ins, and I will tell you how it feels throughout the day and how it sits. Oh, that's better. I may go to the store and, not today, but I may go to the store and check to see what color I would actually be. I'm very curious now. There's always ways around it if you have enough products. Oh, I just realized I don't have some lights on. Actually, it kind of doesn't look bad. Oh, can I ever see the demarcation line there? Yeesh. It's okay. I'm taking one for the team. Just fixing that a little bit. You know what? Look at it. It just creates a contour. That's all. That matches back here a little bit better. Yeah, now I just look like I have bronzer on. Does that match a little bit better? Yeah, that connects better. Okay. Let me make sure I get into my nose. I don't think I have to powder this. In fact, I feel like if I powdered this on my skin, it might be too dry looking. So I'm gonna leave it like this. Yeah, there's no transfer on my fingers. I'm gonna finish up my makeup and I will be back in a second. As I'm using the MAC lipstick, I wanted to tell you that there's a sale on today. I believe 30% off. I think for today, because it's so simple, I'm just going to a doctor's appointment, I'm going to use a little bit of blush. I'm gonna stay away from bronzer just to make it simple. And I'm gonna use Natasha Denona. And I'm going into just the two of these, not the shimmer part. I love this color. It's very daytime friendly. I said I was gonna go off and do my makeup, and here I am back on. I'm just not gonna do a whole look. I think I might just go without mascara because I gotta go. This is all about the skin today, and I will do check-ins later. I will be back. It is 5:06 in the afternoon, and I just wanted to check in. I have a paper ruffling here. Sorry about the noise. I wanted to share some notes that I looked up because I wasn't really prepared when I first started filming. So here we go. The original formula of the Best Skin Ever. It was a silicone base. That's the difference. And the new one is silicone free. This formula has more skin caring emollients in it. The original formula is more classic long wear film formers, and the new one has lighter film formers, I believe. I didn't write that down properly. And then the older formula had glycerin as its main hydrator, and in the newer formula, it is more hyaluronic acid, squalene and oils. So a little bit different. I didn't powder it, so that tells you something. I am a little red around my nose, but you know, I always rub my nose, and I have been touching my face quite a bit. I don't really pay much attention to my makeup, honestly, when I leave the house. I've said that in my videos before. I use it more as a self-care process in the morning and to boost myself up as I walk out the door. But I'm not too worried about it as I leave and as it, kind of wears throughout the day. But I understand many of you are. So there is a good look. I also saw that they have 40 shades. I do see olive tones in there as well. I think the color for me, the best color for me would have been, I believe it's 19N or 19.5N. I'm not sure. And had I known, I should have ordered it. But I'm looking at a bird in the corner of my eye there. I'm gonna go into the studio and finish this off. I'll touch it up a little bit and I'll be right back. I'm really curious, what is the difference? So in the original formula, I have 20N and then 20Y. The newer formula feels a little bit more fluid, a little bit more watery compared to this formula. I would say that the original formula feels like it stays smooth longer, like it has more time to work with it versus this one, the new one. I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna put some on. This was not planned. Whenever I use a makeup wipe, usually I'm by the sink. I don't use them very often, honestly, but I have water to rinse off any residue. Do I have a towel? Yes, I do. I don't feel it's good to leave the product on the face. I mean, it cleanses, right? Or it removes. So obviously it has ingredients in there that takes makeup off. So I want that off of my skin before I moisturize. I'm gonna use the Peach and Lily Essence. Anyone use this before? I feel so bad. They've sent this to me before. I keep forgetting it's down here instead of in my bathroom. I don't have a whole lot of space. That's a lie. I have space. I just haven't organized it very well. It's on my to-do list. No smell, feels fresh. I'm gonna use my Tatcha Memory Cream. Now that I know what it feels like to wear it all day, I know that I have to moisturize well underneath, but I do anyways. To prime my skin, I'm gonna use the MAC Hyper Real Serumizer. I'm not gonna worry about sunscreen because it's nighttime. So this is the original formula. Okay, so that dried down. That's the new formula right there. It's staying. Oh, probably not the right color, is it? Oh no, it is. This is 20N. That's perfect. Darn it. Don't forget around your nose. That's nice, eh? Wow. That was a lot of the comments were like, why? Why did you change the formula? That's happening a lot these days. Okay, so we're going to use 17Y, knowing that it's the wrong color, so forgive me. I'm really checking to see how it blends and how it slides on the face. Okay, I have normal to dry skin, so I like this side better. So my conclusion after all this, I think that if you are normal to oily combination skin, you may prefer the new formulation. I wish it was different because this isn't available anymore. This one almost feels like I've powdered it already. If you were asking me if the newly formulated foundation would be good for normal to dry skin, mature skin, over 45, over 50, I would say be careful. Maybe get a sample first because you never know. If you're using a really rich moisturizer and you want your makeup to stay all day, this one might be for you. Let me know in the comments if this helps you. Also, if you're looking for advice in person or online, go to glowwithinbyjulie.com. If you just have a few questions, I have a 30-minute offering there for $48 Canadian. All the prices there are Canadian, by the way, so if you're in a different part of the world, keep that in mind. The online and in-person sessions are so helpful because I really get to know you and what works for you and your skin and your routine. Don't forget to hit the like button before you leave, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.